We are currently living in a new world. For some, things are the same. But for many, including us, our daily routines have changed. We are all our own person, and therefore we are experiencing this new world at different paces and through different lenses. Whatever you are experiencing or feeling right now is completely authentic to you, and it is valid. During crisis, many artists, including photographers, will take it as an opportunity to reflect and communicate their feelings through their work. Today, I want you to do just that. Madrid, a city that was once full of life, has been transformed. The magnitude of sound that carried throughout the streets by music, conversations, and children at play has been taken over by this new silence. We've become accustomed to the hustle and bustle of this big city, but now I want us to take a step back. Let's look through this environment with a new lens. Let's take the time to photograph this new silence. What does the silence look like to you? Is it the empty streets as you look down from your bedroom window? The stillness of a tree? Your cat peacefully sleeping on the living room chair? Or the light shining onto the floor through your kitchen window? Sometimes, though, it isn't even something that reveals itself to us. We might have to create it in order for others to understand how we're feeling. And as artists, we have to look for ways to create these concepts ourselves. Silence can be seen in a variety of ways. You might represent it using different colors, the way you position your body, the location that you choose, and the props that you select. So where do you see the silence? Take your time, explore your environment, perhaps grab a few materials to create your scene. Remember that there is no right or wrong way to express this or how you are feeling. It's your turn to be the photojournalist during this time of silence.